AI in transportation, transforming the way we move. Welcome to AsadTech Edge, your go-to channel for exploring the latest advancements in technology and AI. If you're passionate about how these innovations are reshaping our world, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon for regular updates. In this video, we will explore the AI in transportation in following aspects. Introduction of AI in transportation. Key applications of AI in transportation. Benefits of AI in transportation. Challenges of AI in transportation. Real-life example in action. Future of AI in transportation. Conclusion. Let's get started. First is introduction of AI in transportation. From autonomous cars to smart traffic management systems, artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the way we travel. But how exactly is AI transforming transportation? And what does it mean for the future of mobility? Let's explore. AI in transportation refers to the integration of artificial intelligence. Technologies like machine learning, computer vision, and predictive analytics into systems that manage, optimize, and transform mobility solutions. It's not just about self-driving cars. AI is reshaping how we design cities, manage traffic, and even reduce carbon footprints. Next is key applications of AI in transportation. Let's dive into some of the most impactful applications of AI in transportation. Autonomous vehicles. AI powers self-driving cars by enabling real-time decision-making for navigation, obstacle detection, and route optimization. Companies like Tesla, Waymo, and Baidu are leading the way. Smart traffic management. AI systems analyze traffic patterns, adjust signal timings, and reduce congestion in real time, creating smoother and more efficient commutes. Predictive maintenance. Sensors on vehicles and infrastructure use AI to predict wear and tear, helping avoid breakdowns and reducing maintenance costs. Public transport optimization. AI helps optimize bus, train, and metro schedules based on passenger demand and traffic conditions. AI-powered logistics. Autonomous trucks and drones are revolutionizing freight delivery, making it faster, safer, and more efficient. Next is benefits of AI in transportation. So, how does AI improve transportation? Here are the key benefits. Safety. AI reduces human error, which is responsible for most traffic accidents. Efficiency. It optimizes routes and reduces delays, saving time and fuel. Sustainability. By reducing idle times and optimizing energy usage, AI helps lower greenhouse gas emissions. Cost savings. Predictive maintenance and optimized logistics reduce operational costs. Accessibility. AI-powered public transport and ride-sharing make mobility more inclusive. Next is challenges of AI in transportation. However, there are challenges to overcome. Data privacy. AI systems rely heavily on data, raising concerns about privacy. Infrastructure costs. Upgrading cities to support AI-powered transportation can be expensive. Ethical dilemmas. How should AI prioritize decisions in critical situations? Public acceptance. Many people are hesitant to trust AI-powered systems. Next is real-life examples of AI in action. Let's look at some real-world examples of AI transforming transportation. Tesla's Autopilot, a leader in self-driving technology. Waymo One, an autonomous ride-hailing service operating in Phoenix, Arizona. Uber Freight, using AI to match truck drivers with shipping jobs efficiently. Smart cities. Cities like Singapore and Tokyo are leveraging AI for traffic management and public transport. Next is the future of AI in transportation. The future of AI in transportation is exciting. Imagine flying taxis, fully automated public transit, and AI-powered traffic systems that completely eliminate congestion. Experts predict that by 2035, AI will be at the heart of global transportation systems, making mobility smarter, greener, and safer. Finally, call to action and conclusion. AI in transportation is more than just an innovation. It's a movement toward a smarter, more sustainable future. What are your thoughts on AI's role in transforming how we travel? Share your opinions in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to AsadTech Edge. Hit the bell icon so you never miss out on the latest in technology and AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.